Hey guys, this is my first YouTube video. I'm gonna do something with Diet Coke and Mentos, but I'm not gonna put the Mentos in the mints in the Diet Coke. Instead, I'm gonna put it in my mouth. All right, let me open this. Let me take two mints. Two mints in my mouth, and then Coke. Thank God I put the towel down. Let's try this again, but instead of me putting it in my mouth, I'm gonna put it in the Coke and then put the Coke in my mouth. And it still keeps going. Oh my God. Thank God I put a towel down. Oh my God.